Y'all already know where we at. Live in the kitchen. Niggas all dirty, wild and crazy. I'm sweating like shit, cause this motherfucker is a hit. It's winter time and I feel like it's 100 degrees in this bitch. Hot, sweaty, smell like yesterday. I don't give a fuck, cause this motherfucker cranking like yesterday. This shit like 2010 crack, maybe some 09 shit. All I'm gonna do, man, shout out to my man Grand Finale for this joint right here, cause this motherfucking sample is on number. So go check my man out when he dropped the rap joint. The beat made by my man Chop, aka Posh Beats, aka this nigga got hits on deck. Go rap, whatever you need. Holler at that man, follow that man, Chop XIB. You need to holler at him. Hey, what's your YouTube? I mean, what's your email so they can email you if they need some beats?
chopbeats@gmail.com.
And guess what? You gotta see him on PayPal first. He ain't sending shit back unless you send that cash on PayPal. No free skis, baby. No.
Chop see,
I'm telling y'all right now, fuck with my man Chop. He got hits on deck. Go rap. Just PayPal him that cash and he'll do whatever you need. Come on, man, bring that new shit up. Hey, matter of fact, before we stop, don't forget next Tuesday, motherfucking O-Cup party. Motherfucking backyard TCB reaction, XIB 18 and over, 11 to 4 a.m. Free O-Cups. BYB, TCB, reaction, XIB. We got new shit on deck, so don't worry about it. We gonna hold it down for the young niggas. O-Cup, free O-Cups, ass clap, backyard, Sweezy gang, motherfucking, goddamn. That's a whole lot of motherfucking partying, and you know it's gonna be endless bitches in there. It's going down. So make sure you in there, January 11th, that's next Tuesday, 10 to 4. BYB, TCB, reaction, XIB, 18 and over. And we got new shit on deck. And then after that, February 11th, that's a couple of Fridays from now. Travy, in the Sweezy, and TOB, make sure your ass there.
Live in HD, it's your boy Grand Finale, man. Dropping this exclusive joint, Milk Does Your Body Good. You gonna hear it first with XIB, they dropping the go-go version. Be on the lookout for the rap version coming within a couple weeks. The True Sales and mixtape dropping at the end of this month, man. Get in where you fit in. Sweezy gang, Self-Made Entertainment, Bounce Beat King. We getting in like that, how we pose to, nigga. Woo-law!
Yeah, what the fuck, yo?
That's a body good. 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 Hey, this shawty go hard. Hard crew. This she can shake that ass. 1, 2. This shawty go hard. Hard crew. This she can shake that ass. 1, 2. This shawty go hard. Hard crew. This she can shake that ass. 1, 2. This shawty go hard. Hard crew. That's what body good. That's what body good. Oh, that's a body good. That's a body good. That's a body good. That's a something. Get down! Body good, that's a body good. does the body good. Milk.
Special for all my ladies out there. Milk does your body good if you're looking good.